Okay, so now we're doing question number 2, expand and simplify. Remember to use the order of operations, in other words, BEDMAS. Okay, so now the equations are getting more complicated. So we have question 2a, 3 bracket x minus 1 squared, all of it minus 4. So we want to take care of the brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? That's what BEDMAS means. So let's take care of the brackets first. So inside the brackets, we're going to have a trinomial. So we need to apply the previous rule. So let's take care of the exponent in this case, actually. So in order to take care of the exponent, we have to use a bracket. So it's the first term all square plus the 2 times the first term times the second term plus the second term all square. So that's how we take care of the exponent, and we didn't do anything to the minus 4, so we leave it on the outside. Let's simplify our term inside the brackets. X squared minus 2x plus 1, all minus 4. Alright, so now we're going to try to simplify. Notice that we have a multiplication of 3 times our bracket terms. So we're going to use the distributive property, 3 times x squared, 3 times negative 2x, and 3 times 1. 3x squared minus 6x plus 3. And all of this, we're going to subtract minus 4 afterwards. So the minus 4 and the 3 are the only constant terms, so we can simplify them. So 3x squared minus 6x minus 1, and that's our answer. Alright, so we only have one more. It's a more challenging in this case, so let's think about a strategy. So remember, BEDMAS, brackets, exponents. So let's do brackets first, right? We have y minus 3 times y minus 3. So if you're clever, notice that this is a difference of squares scenario. So we're going to apply a formula for difference of squares. So it's y squared minus the second term square, which is going to be y squared minus 9. Now we didn't do anything with the remaining terms, which is the negative 4 bracket y plus 1 square. So we're just going to rewrite it. Okay, so in order to simplify this expression, we still need to apply BEDMAS. So now we're going to take care of the exponent to power 2. So leave the 4 on the outside, open up your brackets. So since we're trying to square, we're going to use the trinomial formula, which is the first term square plus 2 times the first term times the second term plus the second term all square. Okay, so let's simplify this. So let's simplify what's inside the brackets, right? So y squared plus 2y plus 1. Now we're still going to need to use BEDMAS, so we need to use the distributive property, 4 times y squared, 4 times 2y, and then 4 times 1. So let's see what that looks like. Negative 4y squared minus 8y minus 4. Okay, good. Now we can start to simplify the expression. So let's collect like terms. So usually you want to put them in order of descending powers. So the first highest power is going to be y squared. So let's try to focus our attention on those terms. Y squared minus 4y squared will be negative 3y squared. Then you look for the second highest power. Well, in this case, the highest power was y squared. The second one will be to the power y. But that one only had one term, so we just carry it over. and then we look at the constant terms. Here we have a -9 and -4. So -9 minus 4, -13. And then we finish this question.